Hi everyone, I'm Kyrie Claire A. Damian from BSCS 3V Graphic and Visualization. So in this video, I'll be discussing the rules of communication in computer networking using Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's start. So before I forgot, just like humans, computer follows specific rules when they communicate. We call this network protocols. Let's look at the 5 important ones. Number 1 is message encoding, message formatting and encapsulation, message size, message timing, and the last is message delivery option. So let's start. So what is message encoding? Message encoding is how data is converted into signal that can be transmitted over the network. So for example here in Cisco Packet Tracer, when we send a message from one PC to another PC, like PC0 to PC1, it is converted into bits, zeros and ones that travel as electrical light or radio signals. The second one is message formatting and encapsulation. Message and Message formatting and encapsulation define how data is organized and for transmission. Each layer of the OSI model adds a header or trailer. For example, IP adds source and destination addresses. TCP adds port numbers and the data link layers add MAC addresses. So you can see here encapsulation in action. The packet gains headers as it moves down the layers. So here, PC0 is sending a message to PC1. As the data moves through the OSI layers, it's formatted and encapsulated. Each layer adds its own header. For example, the transport layers adds port numbers. Then the network layer adds IP addresses, and the data link layer adds MAC addresses. So, when we check the PDU details in simulation, you can see these headers being added step by step. This process ensures that each device knows that how to properly deliver, read, and interpret the data. So that's the message and formatting and encapsulation. So third is message size. Network have limits on how big a message can be. If a message is too large, it is broken into smaller pieces, packets, or fragments. So here, uh, I'm going to send a message. Imagine that it is a large message and it is going to divide it into a smaller pieces to meet the maximum transmission unit or MTU. So I can do it in my version because I tried it earlier my and it is not working, so yeah. So addition, so if it is working to your version, just open the PC and go to desktop and open command prompt and ping and type ping and command prompt and ping the PC that you're going to send the ping and type dash line L 19 etc. That's it. And that's how you change the size of the message. So, message timing. Timing refers to when data is sent and how fast. Protocol manage timing through flow control, response time, and synchronization between sender and receiver. So, notice the time it takes for packets to go back and forth. That's message timing in action. So, the last is message delivery options. Message can be delivered in different ways. Unicast is one to one, like PC0 to PC1, and multicast. Multicast is one to many, or broadcast, one to all. So the first part of the message of delivery options is unicast. Unicast is one-to-one communication between devices on a network. It means that one sender sends data to one specific receiver. So like this in Cisco Packet Tracer, I'm going to send a message from PC3 to PC1. So the second is multicast. Multicast is one-to-many communication where one sender sends data to a selected group of devices, not to everyone on the network.
Sir, tapos na po.